Chinaesom, your TUMA Speedomatics Round starts now. Given that 6y equals to the 4, find the value of y.
4.
Correct. What is the highest common factor of 8 and 12?
4.
Correct. Simplify 10 minus 4 times 2.
2.
Correct. The number which is 3 times as large as w is?
3w.
Correct. Simplify 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 over
3.
Correct. What is 7 multiple of 7?
49.
Correct. How many edges does a cube have?
12.
Correct. How many degrees do we have in 3 right angles?
270 degrees.
Correct. Find the perimeter of a rectangle measuring 8 cm by 5 cm.
26.
Correct. Find the mode of the data below. 45314222474.
4.
Correct. A round of applause.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the ultimate mathematics ambassador for the year 2017 edition, Miss ANYANWU Chinaesom Jacqueline from Tripplecross School, Ikeja, Lagos State. Congratulations.